Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel again. If you are copy trading, you are an absolute moron and you deserve to lose all your money. Now, with that out of the way, today's idea is a long stock for RPM International. And what does this company do? Well, they specialize in the manufacture, marketing of specialty coatings, sealants, and building materials. So they have four different verticals, one of them being construction products. They have performance coatings, they have consumer, and then they have specialty products. So, with the kind of business model that they have, as you can imagine, this is a fairly cyclical company. And part of the reason why the stock is being kind of trading sideways, we zoom out a little bit, it's heavily correlated with the housing market. So you see is kind of been flatlining over the years on a maybe slow upward move. Most recently on an uptrend that has now stabilized just above the $110 mark. So what happened here? Well, this is a company that obviously has struggled in this environment. And they are at the moment working to claw back some of the lost margin, and they expect to eventually hit a 16% EBIT target margin. Um, However, we are, as of today, the 18th of December 2023, with a recent announced pause on interest rates. But has the housing market recovered, or better said, have the interest rates actually moved? Well, not really yet, although we have seen that since late October, November, the stock has taken off quite a bit from just below 90 all the way to 111. Has the market really improved since then? Not really. So this is a stock with high expectations or the market betting on the Fed cutting rates in the near term. Doesn't mean though that there's no demand for housing because there is plenty. At the moment, there's a 3.2 million shortfall of houses in the United States. So definitely the market is pricing that there's going to be a recovery in the sector. I think at this particular point, we might be getting ahead a little bit of ourselves if we decide to enter here. Uh, Having said that, that's not to say that we should discard the possibility of a scenario uh, more positive than a base case, right? So this is a stock that I'm gonna keep watching because the building permits, for example, in the United States, while still low, has troughed and has stabilized, picking up in a steady uptrend since the start of 2023. Also, something that uh, I came across as quite interesting in their recent earnings call was commentary from management saying that they have the expectation of challenges ahead. They recognize that the housing market is weak and this is hurting the company. But they also recognize that if the start of 2024 is positive, they will have um, a blowout half two. That's exactly the word that they used, a blowout. So, what can we expect here? Well, this is a stock where we can expect maybe a little bit of softness in the short term. So, I'm going to put it on the watch list for now and see if we return to more nimble valuation levels. So, you hear um, at the end of October, we were sitting at a next 12 months PE of 27 times. We are now at 21. Here it was oversold. Now we're kind of overbought. So I would wait for a better entry point. Maybe the market will get spooked a little bit or a little bit disillusioned after the strong rally that it's had over the last couple of months, and wait to enter at a valuation like the one we have here, maybe 18 times 19, and see how the market continues to evolve. I think this is a stock that will perform well, but more likely in Q2 all the way to maybe the rest of the year in 2024. So I'm not going to enter this now, but definitely put it on the watch list. Wait maybe to return to these levels just at 100, uh, and see how it goes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you and subscribe.